In the swirling clouds of distant worlds, something might be moving. Not a machine, not a storm, but something alive, massive, graceful, silent. Some call them skywhales, gigantic balloon-like creatures drifting through alien skies, too big to land, too delicate to survive gravity, but perfectly evolved to float. And here's the strangest part. This isn't just science fiction. Some scientists believe skywhales could actually exist. In the 1970s, famed astrophysicist Carl Sagan asked a simple question. If life could exist in Earth's oceans and land, why not in the skies of other worlds? He imagined creatures called floaters, balloon-like organisms, drifting in the clouds of gas giants like Jupiter. Below them, smaller creatures, sinkers, falling into deeper layers. Above them, hunters, flying predators in an alien atmosphere. It sounded wild, but it was based on real physics and real biology. Today, astrobiologists still ask, could life evolve not on solid ground, but in endless clouds? Imagine a creature the size of a city, made of lighter-than-air gases, drifting gently through the upper atmosphere of a planet like Jupiter. Skywhales wouldn't swim. They'd float, using enormous hydrogen-filled bladders like organic balloons. Their bodies might absorb sunlight, harvest atmospheric chemicals, or filter microbial life from vapor streams. They could glow, like deep-sea creatures on Earth, or use sonar-like pulses to navigate dense clouds. Slow, peaceful, alien, and just like whales in our oceans, they might travel in pods, sing to each other, or mourn the loss of one of their own. Let's look up. Jupiter, a swirling world of storms and superheated clouds. Its deeper layers are too violent, but the upper atmosphere, possibly stable enough to support life. Saturn, calmer winds, more hospitable zones, a better home for floating giants. Venus, hell on the surface, but 50 kilometers above, cool, stable air. Some believe even microbial life might already exist there. And beyond our solar system, gas exoplanets, brown dwarfs, rogue planets, worlds with thick atmospheres, untouched by light, but maybe not untouched by life. If skywhales exist, they could be hiding in the clouds of hundreds of worlds. Now here's a question. What if we've already encountered skywhales and didn't even recognize them as life? Think about it. A strange shape caught by a probe, a flicker of movement in a planetary storm, a radar anomaly that we dismissed as noise. Our definition of life is narrow. We search for Earth-like organisms. But what if real aliens are so massive, so slow, so alien, that we miss them entirely? What if that weather anomaly on Jupiter was actually a living being? The discovery of skywhales would change everything, not just because they're alive, but because of what they represent. Life, thriving in impossible places. A new branch of biology, a new kind of intelligence. What if they communicate, not with words, but with color, motion, or magnetic pulses? Could we ever understand them? Or would we be like ants, trying to decode the song of a whale? The universe is strange, stranger than we imagine, and maybe even stranger than we can imagine. Skywhales may be fiction, or they may be real, right now, drifting through the clouds of some distant world, quiet, unseen, waiting to be found. This is Boundless Universe. Subscribe and keep exploring the unknown.